What sets the R3000 apart from our competition is the flexibility of our system. It's designed right in it. There's no hardware, no tools to assemble our shelving. It can be reconfigured at any moment. You can adjust shelving on 2-inch increments. You can attach bolt beams and tire beams at a moment's notice. When you have a tire stored in conventional rack systems, you get a sharp edge where the tires are stored. We actually have a gradual curve on our beams to cradle that tire so you don't affect the steel belts and the radial tires. Typically, applications at the car dealerships, they have so many different types of product that they need to store. We have accessories to handle all of that. It's so flexible, I'm able to use it at fire stations. Fire stations have to store their rolled hose vertically. So they roll the hose up, they store it on our tire beams, and the system works. It's the flexibility of the Schaefer R3000 storage system that sets us apart from our competition.